Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Kindly do subscribe my channel before I end the video. Today topic is about flashback arrestor. What is a flashback arrestor? A flashback arrestor is a gas safety device most commonly used in oxy-fuel welding and cutting to stop the flame, reverse flow of the gas back up into the equipment or supply line. It's protect the user and equipment from damage and explosion. So the flashback arrestor which used to stop the flame or reverse flow of gas back, and it's used to protect the user and equipment from the explosion. The flashback arrestor helps to prevent further gas flow in the case of pressure shocks, the entry of air or oxygen into the distribution line, or single cylinder flashbacks, which are repeated propagation of flame down the hose, further gas flow in the event of the burn back. The flashback arrestor are suitable for most technical gases, fuel gas such as acetylene, hydrogen, methane, propane, propellant, oxygen and compressed air. A flashback arrestor have to be tested for gas non-return for titans and for gas flow by a competent person. According to the standard DIN EN ISO 5175-1, formerly EN 730-1, they include a minimum of two safety elements. A gas non-return valve NV, which prevent dangerous gas mixer, ensure the gas only flow in the intended direction. So there are two types of safety elements which are the non-return valve used to prevent dangerous gas mixture and ensure the gas line flows into the directions. And a flame arrestor FA, which cools the flame to below the ignition temperature of the gas or gas mixer, prevent flashback. So the FA, flashback arrestor, which used to cool the flame, blow into the ignition temperature and prevent flashbacks. In addition to these two basic safety functions, a flashback arrestor can also have a thermal cutoff valve (TV), which prevents excessive temperature and closes automatically at the certain temperature and cut off the gas flow long before the ignition temperature of gas mixture is reached. A pressure sensitive gas cutoff valve which stops the gas flow into the event of pressure shocks. So also there are thermal cutoff valve which used to prevent excessive temperature, and used to closes automatically in certain temperature and cut off the gas flow long before the ignition temperature of gas mixer. First is required for the LPG gases. The flashback can occur when using LPG, oxy LPG. The flashback arrestor is recommended to use. If we use the LPG gas cylinder at home, flashback arrestor is not recommended to use because there is no oxygen in the cylinder to support ignition. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video. See you with another video.